Now, for the first time ever, the Prime Minister has campaigned for BJP candidate in Pilibhit. Varun Gandhi is out of the picture and the Prime Minister canvassed for Jitin Prasada, a seat which is considered to be Varun and Maneka Gandhi's stronghold since 1989. Jitin Prasada, who jumped ship to the BJP in 2021, is banking on the Modi magic to woo voters. My colleague Adeep spoke to him. Let's listen in.
Mr. Prasad, a hectic day or a big day for you? PM was in your district.
It's one of the momentous days for me, where the Prime Minister came to Pilibhit for the first time in 10 years. I am very humbled and honored that the Prime Minister has taken out time to campaign in Pilibhit. And it was a historic meeting, massive meeting, which PM spoke at length about the various issues of his 10 years of his track record of the government that has been there and what he plans to do in the next 5 years.
PM also attacked the India Alliance and the Samajwadi Party, Congress. He said that the Congress manifesto doesn't look like the manifesto of Congress, but it looks like the Muslim League's manifesto.
Exactly. This India Alliance has no thought process behind it. It's just a combination of people who are clinging on to each other for the sake of power. And people of India have seen through all that. And you will see that this kind of politics of appeasement and kind of for votes, trying to, it's going in line with the Muslim League, that thought process of the manifesto of the Indian Alliance. And people will give a befitting reply to them.
PM, in your constituency, how much boost it will give you to your poll campaign? Him coming all the way from Delhi, and he was here for around 1 hour. So how much boost does this will give it to your poll campaign?
You were here yourself. You saw how responsive the crowd was and how at length the PM has spoken. This will really boost not only mine, but the whole region will benefit from the hearing the Prime Minister.